How to use Airbnb Super Strict policy. To use the Airbnb Super Strict policy, first of all, you must operate a professional hosting account connected to Airbnb via an external API, or receive a direct corporate invitation from the Airbnb itself. First things first, you have to check your eligibility and access tiers. Super Strict 30 days is a case where guests must cancel at least 30 days before check-in to receive 50% refund. Cancellations under 30 days grant a zero refund to the guest. So, guests must cancel at least 60 days before check-in if it is super strict 60 days to receive 50% refund. Now, you simply have to go ahead and activate the property management software. Connect channel manager and then inside your external channel manager's cancellation settings, select Super Strict 30 or Super Strict 60, then proceed to sync the changes. Want to do this? Weigh the financial trade-offs for 2026 by simply reduced booking volume, such as flexible or moderate, or phasing out warnings. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.